Hi, I'm Mike Acker. There's a moment I see all the time. Someone finishes speaking or performing or doing something. They turn to a colleague and they ask, how did I do? And the answer is usually something like, you did good, or nice job. And it sounds supportive, but it doesn't help anyone grow. It offers no direction and no real confidence. And my idea is that most feedback fails because we default to being nice instead of being clear. But a small shift can make feedback real. Start with one specific positive so the person knows where they're on the right track, and then give a specific improvement based on your role in the moment. So if I'm an expert, I guide. If I'm a peer, I share a perspective. And if I'm a learner, then I'm humble and I ask questions. Now that simple approach turns feedback into something honest, grounded, and helpful. I care about this because I see people working hard. They're wanting to improve. They're trying to get feedback, but the feedback that they get gets them nowhere. And when feedback becomes clear, people become better. They grow faster. Teams communicate more cohesively. Trust grows. And people feel seen not for what they did wrong, but for what they can become. This is the idea I want to share on the TEDx stage because a small shift in how we respond can change the way that people grow, lead, and connect.